Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text transformation. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS text transformation property. The CSS text transform property with lowercase letters. So, the text transform property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text. It can be used to turn everything into uppercase or lowercase letters, or capitalize the first letter of each word. So I'm going to be explaining this again in another dimension. Right now we are specifying this using what? Our lowercase. So we are going to be seeing how the lowercase works easily, so you can be able to follow along easily. Back to our document. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the text transform property along with the uppercase value. You can check our CSS text transform playlist for you to follow along easily, or you can check our CSS text transformation playlist. Right now, I'm going to be specifying lowercase instead of our uppercase. I'm going to be specifying lowercase right here. When I specify the lowercase and save my document, you're going to see what will happen to my document. Now, let's reload. As you can see, all this one is having uppercase and all this one is having uppercase, right? Let's reload. Can you see? All of it now turns to lowercase. Can you see? They all turn to lowercase. But this h1 tag is not turning to lowercase. Then we can see everything that is inside our body element. You can save it now and reload. When we say, can you see everything now turns to lowercase? And there is another way you can use this also. You can just say only the body element. Let me do it in this manner. I don't want us to write much to waste much time here. You can just select only our body element and reload. Can you see everything is turning to whatever we write again is now going to be turning to lowercase. So but let's say for instance now I have capital letter H, I have I, I have capital letter W, I have H, who. When I save my document and reload, you're going to see, can you see it all turned to lowercase. So everything you write inside this body element is going to be turning to lowercase, no matter how the capital letter you capitalize it. So and again, maybe you want to select only your h1 element only. So whatsoever that is inside the h1 element, like all these kind of things. So this span tag is also inside the h1 element. So everything is going to turn to lowercase. Let's reload. Can you see? Only our h1 tag is one that is having lowercase. There is another way you can do this. You can just select only this one or only the h, which is the how are you doing. So but we can let's select only the doing, which is the span tag only. You can make it we can just do like this, span, yes, and do comma. No, don't do comma. You can just do this like only the span in this manner. When I select only the span tag is going to be the one that is having lowercase. No matter how you write uppercase here. Let's turn this to uppercase. You are going to see it's going to be lowercase. And I save this document down and reload. Can you see? Nothing changes. So it's going to be lowercase. And we can turn it to uppercase. Previously we learned about uppercase. Then we can change this to what? Uppercase if you want. So when we change it to uppercase, we are going to see it's going to reflect only in the span. Can you see? Only the span turns to uppercase, the rest turn to lowercase. So we need lowercase. That's why we are using lowercase now. Can you see? Everything is, this one is in lowercase now. So I want you guys to stay focused and stay tuned, because there is nothing like magic right here we are doing. So I want you guys to stay focused with me, because we are going to be exploring this much more better in different ways. So all our h1 tag we want it to be in lowercase. When we specify only our h1 tag, we load our document. Can you see all the letters there is now lowercase? Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.